Okay, so hello guys, hello everyone, my name is Jennifer. So for today's video, we're going to cook a poached egg. So before we start, we should know that what tools we're going to use and what ingredients also.
So, before I start, sinimulan ko munang hugasan ng aking kamay at aking mga gagamitin sa pagluluto.
So start, we should fill up the pot first. This is enough, okay? Then put it in the stove, open it, and close it. So now our water is boiling up. We should turn the heat low. So first, we're going to use a soup scoop. We're going to put some oil on it, just in case the egg wouldn't stick it on it when we put it on the boiling water. So we're going to crack the egg. Like that. We're going to crack the egg like that, and we're going to pinch salt on it. Also the pepper. Salt and pepper is the best for egg. So we're going to put in here. Come. So we're going to put it very slowly. Very slowly. While putting it in here, make sure that the egg is going to be white before you put it all. That's how you make a poached egg. Like that. I don't have any stainless soup scoop. That's why I used wooden. And you put it up. Like that, just like that.
Fast forward ulit tayo dahil haba yung video. Papakita ko na lang yung end.
Quatro capanga na esquina lá da minha quebrada, yeah. De tocar ninja e uma AK cromada, pente estendido, pronta